Hi, this is Team Co Travels and today we are in
Stockholm!
The capital of Sweden, Stockholm, is known as being one of the coolest and sought-after places to live in Europe.
It's no coincidence that Sweden features highly on the list of the happiest countries on the planet because the quality of life here is very high, and evidence of this can be seen all over the city.
Slick, stylish and filled with sleek Scandinavian design, this is a beautiful city built on and around an archipelago of islands, meaning that most of the city is not further than a few meters from the stunning seafront.
Oh, and the people are beautiful. I mean, it's ridiculous. Even the binmen are models.
Sexy binmen.
Okay, question number 1. How many islands make up the city of Stockholm?
I know this one. It's 14 islands
Yes,
make up
correct.
the Stockholm archipelago.
You are correct.
Even though Stockholm has a really good metro system, you can pretty much travel everywhere by boat.
Which is fabulous.
So we discovered one of the best ways to get around some European cities at the moment are these sharing scooter schemes that you can do where you download the app, scan the old scooter, and then enter your payment details and off you go. So I've just scanned mine. Let's go!
Question number 2.
Okay.
How many people live in Stockholm?
Well, I know it's not enormous, but I think it's bigger than we think it is. So I'm going to guess 1.8 million people.
Nope. Oh, wrong. 2.4 million.
Bigger than I thought.
2.4.
The city centres around Gamla Stan, the historic old town on its central island, filled with churches, palaces and winding old streets.
It's amazing how quiet it is despite being the main square of Stockholm in the middle of August. Loving it.
So one of the things you have to do in Stockholm is indulge in one of the locals' traditions, which is fika, and it's coffee, like this, like my enormous bowl of latte that I've got here, and a cake. So we have...
Well, we went for cinnamon bun, obviously. You're in Sweden, so we wanted to go cinnamon bun.
Should we taste them?
There you go first. Sticky, isn't it?
Really good. You can leave your name everywhere, all over these walls. Make sure you look out for our name as well.
Question number 3. Name 5 famous Swedish people.
Do ABBA count as 1 or 4?
1. Always cheat.
Okay, ABBA, Robin, the singer, Nikolaj Coster-Waldau from Game of Thrones, who plays Jaime Lannister. He's Swedish.
I didn't realise.
Noomi Rapace from the Girl with the Dragon Tattoo films, and another Swede, Ingrid Bergman.
Yeah, that works.
Ingmar Bergman.
Greta Garbo. What about Jaime Lannister?
I said him.
Oh, and don't forget the royal family will live in the vast palace on Gamla Stan.
While not as ostentatious as the British royal palaces, there's still plenty of pomp and ceremony that makes for fun viewing for tourists. I wonder what he's thinking.
He's thinking about the passing of time.
The city is full of exciting museums too. We chose the world-renowned Fotografiska gallery to visit.
But there's also the Viking Museum, the National Museum and Vasa, which contains a full 17th century warship.
But if you like free art, why not check out its subway station, which are all designed by Swedish artists.
Question number 4. When did Sweden become an independent country from Denmark?
I didn't actually realise that it wasn't ever an independent country. So I'm going to say Viking time, late Vikings. So I'm going to go like 1200.
No, 1523.
Oh,
Quite late actually.
In terms of architecture, Stockholm City Hall is without doubt its star attraction. Completed in 1923, the brick building is home to grand state occasions, Nobel Prize dinners, and you can visit it by booking a tour. You can see its blue hall, which isn't actually blue, and its council chamber. Its most impressive room though is a stunning golden hall, decorated with 18 million mosaic tiles made of actual gold, arranged to depict moments of Swedish history.
Okay, last and final question. Number 5. How many Nobel Prizes are awarded each year?
Oh, Nobels. I know the number. It's 6.
That's right.
Yes.
Now, what are they?
Right. Peace. Literature.
I need to check if I can't remember.
And I think then all the sciences. So I think you've got physics and chemistry and biology.
No. Not biology.
Something to do with humans.
Yes.
Medicine. And then what would the 6th be?
Think about money.
Catering.
Money.
Economics.
Yes, economics.
Wherever you go in the city, you'll spend most of your time trying to find a viewpoint to look at this beautiful city from above.
I love how you've got all these little islands everywhere, and you get to really enjoy the seafront. It's just, the architecture's stunning.
Even its building sites look beautiful.
What is the worst thing about Stockholm, please, Jeremy?
The price. The price of absolutely everything. It's so expensive.
Yep.
Drink-wise, it's just, well, we've only had water. You can't afford anything else. Food is really expensive. It's about £9 for a tiny little salad from Starbucks. It was not even nice. If you want to go to a restaurant, it's about at least €30 per person minimum for just one main and a glass of water. So yes, that puts a bit of a downpour on the holidays.
However, there are some good places that are good value for money, like this ship on Skeppsholmen Island, where we've been able to have fika for just £7, which is absolutely fantastic, and we've been able to have this amazing view.
Stockholm is a fantastic city to explore for a weekend getaway. Albeit an expensive one. There's a lot to see and do, but really you'll just want to sit back, relax, and enjoy the chilled Swedish way of life.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and to follow us on Instagram
At Through My Quickie Eyes.
and tune in next time when we'll be in
Berlin.
See you there.
Bye.